Welcome back to Cleaning the Easy Way. We are here to clean with a putty knife and a rag.
We're going to show you some amazing tricks, and we're never going to get through this opening, so I'm just going to leave this one here. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. Let's go.
That was good.
So the first one we're going to be talking about today is that little teeny gap that's between your stove and your countertops. And we're going to show you an easy way to clean that little space out. What you're going to need is a rag, a putty knife, and your favorite cleaner. We are using an all-purpose cleaner, and we're going to spray the rag to get it damp. The reason why we are putting the rag over the putty knife is to prevent the putty knife from scratching. Now, if you want to just use soapy water and wring the rag out, that is great too. In order to do this, all you do is with the rag over the putty knife, you just kind of put it down between that crack. You kind of go back and forth and you pull all the stuff forward. And you can see it helps get it out. We'll do a couple more runs and show you the other side of the rag. But this is an easy way to get some of that stuff out that falls down between that little crack. This is from the crack on the other side of the stove.
If you've got sticky food stuck to the table, you can use this to scrape it off as well.
Next, we're going to be demonstrating how to clean your clean air intake vents. One way you can do it is with a good old-fashioned cleaner for dishes. A little brush we got from Dollar General or one of the dollar places. And you just take it in and you scrub. My concern with that is it doesn't get the stuff out per se.
I prefer the softer brushes too.
They're
hard brushes just aren't pliable. It doesn't go into the corners.
Yeah, so well. If you use like one of these brushes that are meant for dishes, make sure you get one that's not like hard to bend. We're just using a forward and back motion, making sure to get in the corners really well. See how it's kind of pulling the dirt out? See, this is why I don't like this hack, is it kind of just pulls the dirt up and it doesn't really get it out. It is easy to get the dirt lifted with one of these brushes, but I don't feel like it cleans it that well. Another thing you can do is, if you really want to, is you can just unscrew it, put it in your kitchen sink and wash it there. But if you're cleaning somebody's house or you're cleaning where you don't want to do that, this is my preferred method.
Like and subscribe. Hi. Gotta be careful too, because you don't want to like put the corner into the glass and scratch it. You want to have it flat completely.
And it will just kind of scrape those hard water spots down. Stop it! The duct covers can also be cleaned with the putty knife and the rag. These are really kind of nasty and should theoretically be put in the bathtub or replaced. You just kind of take it and you do kind of the same thing as you rub. And there is rust on these ones. Like, you can spray directly onto it too.
So the first thing I'm gonna do here is just get it all like wet and broken up, break up all the dirt. Just pretty much getting all the corners, but then I can just go in with my finger afterward and get the rest. I've used this bad boy to get stickers and sticky gunk. I said sticky already, but stickers and tape off of things.
Now this is outdoors. This has a lot of oil on it. We're going to show you how we kind of use it. Of course, there is some weather damage to this stainless steel top. We're going to show you how we kind of use it to help get some of the stuff off. First, I'm going to just get it wet.
So we're going to just try wiping it. Wiping it's not taking it off. That's why you kind of need an edge sometimes. Scraping tools. That's why it's really effective on hard water, because hard water is just
stuck on the glass.
It's mineral deposits. You need to scrape it off. Hi.
And another trick is if you don't have a razor blade and you've got some stuck on food on your stove, is you can do the same thing where you put the rag over the putty knife and you kind of just scrape out of it. We're hoping that you were able to learn something new today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe.
Subscribe!